In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use roles to organize members on Discord. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable members list that makes it clear who's who at a glance. First, open your Discord server and look to the top left of the window. Click your server name to open the menu, then choose Server Settings. This is where all the structural tools live, and it's the control center for roles. Inside Server Settings, find the Roles section. Here, create the roles you want to organize people into. Think about the categories that make sense for your community, like moderation teams, content creators, project groups, or newcomer tiers. Give each role a clear name, and consider adding a distinct color to make them easier to spot. Once your roles are created, start adding members to them. You can do this right from the members list in your server settings by assigning the appropriate role to each person. You can also assign roles from the server by right-clicking a member's name and selecting the role you created. Take a moment to be intentional here. Good naming and consistent assignments will keep everything tidy. Next, click into each role you want to feature and open its settings. In the Roles options, enable Display Role Members separately from online members. This single toggle is what makes the difference visually. With it on, anyone who has that role will appear in their own labeled group in the members pane instead of being mixed into the general online list. Repeat this for every role you want to show as its own section. Once those toggles are on, look at your server's member list. You'll see clear role-based groupings, which immediately improves navigation and helps people know who to contact. If you want to fine-tune how these groups stack, adjust the order of your roles in the Roles section by dragging them up or down. Higher roles appear above lower ones in the member list. Keep in mind that a role will only show as a separate group if at least one member has it and the display option is enabled. That's really all there is to it. Click your server name to enter server settings, create and assign your roles, then enable Display Role Members separately from online members on the roles you want highlighted. With those simple changes, your community will look more professional, be easier to manage, and feel more welcoming to newcomers who are trying to find the right people. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized server.